Good morning, everybody. So I'm out on the road, but I'll be back to do that workshop, and I'll tell you all about that towards the end of this. But just wanted to say good morning. I hope you're having a great coffee. Lord knows I am. I might not. It might be about a week before I get back home and make my own coffee. But it occurred to me today about relationships, right? And I'm not necessarily talking about a spouse relationship or family relationship necessarily, but the rules I'm going to be covering this week are going to apply to that. But conceptually, I suppose we have a relationship with a lot of things, whether that be God or your granddaughter, right? I mean, we have relationships throughout our life. And the one constant that we have with all of that is you. And so the idea of having a relationship is, what are you bringing to it? What are you offering? What are you putting in it? What are you doing? And how is that functionally working for you? And so the whole idea, we've all gone out and had a good time, right? With a group of friends, with some individuals, and we've also had the opposite of that. But if you want to more guarantee that you're going to have good relationships, then you have to set a rule set for you. And I'm going to talk to you this week about what that rule set should look like. I'm going to talk to you about the importance of each of the items, and I'm going to be doing that over using the morning Tim and M's. And so I'm going to be doing a workshop about relationships, about love, about how to get that for you, how to be there for yourself and for others, and therefore attract that kind of lovely inclusiveness into your world. So if you want to know more about that, then like, subscribe, click, find me on Discord, find me on Facebook, Instagram, anywhere, and just let me know that you're interested in finding out more information about this workshop I'm going to be doing. So love and light, and I'll talk to you later. And remember, like in the song says, the greatest love of all is you. So let's attract that and bring that to you. Namaste.